Welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So this is part 9 on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So here you see engulfing, and here is another engulfing here as well, but I will wait for market to break this zone, then I place my trade because of the momentum. And you see here this market has already reached this level, so I will wait for market to break this wick, then I will place my trade. You see here's another engulfing. Yes, so if market break this zone, I will place my trade put option. You see huge candle. You see huge candle. So I'll wait for market to create weak candle, or if I get strong marginal of safety, I can place my trade. I will wait. I need marginal of safety because here is tricky. See, market is rejecting from this zone, so I will wait. Because in this situation you have to get strong entry point. If you place your trade, you can fail, it can fail you. Because of this zone, maybe on the next candle I will place my trade put option, because this the breakout of this zone, so I'm expecting market to reach this zone. I'll place put option now, because definitely market must reach this zone before it reverse. So I place my trade. So let's see, market is doing panic, but I know market must go down. I know definitely market must go down because of breakout of this engulfing. At least market will reach this zone, this before it reverse. At least market supposed to reach this area before it reverse. So I place my trade put option. You see market is reaching this. You see market rejected from this, so that's why I place my trade, because after breakout at least market is supposed to touch this engulfing zone, then it will reverse. So that's why I place my trade put option. You see, so let's analyze another one. So here is engulfing, but it's not nice because of multiple touch. So here we have to wait for the breakout of this zone. You see here and here, that market is trying to reverse. So here we have to wait for market to reach this zone, then we will decide to take our trade. Because here, even though we are in strong uptrend, the market has lost a lot of momentum here. So if there is no too much sellers entry here, so from here we can take our trade from this zone. Yes, from here after this rejection we can take our trade call option. But you see sellers entry, seller's entry. So it's very tricky and it's dangerous. Take your trade here, even though market may reverse, but it's dangerous. You just wait for market to reach this zone, because in my ebook I have explained in detail which trend you're supposed to use and trade engulfing zone trading strategy, and which candle you're supposed to take your trade. You see, very weak bias entry. So if you are not careful, this one it will fail you. So you wait for market to reach this zone. If you see rejection, because here you see engulfing, so, or you wait for the breakout. It's better to wait for the breakout, because here you see market has multiple attempts to break this zone. So you wait for market to break the zone, then you place your trade. So let me check another one here. You see here, no, let me check another one. So you see here, this is the zone here. So this is engulfing. Here is ranging market, so you're supposed to take your trade here. If it is trending market, you can take your trade here. If it is ranging market, you will take trade here. So I have explained it in detail. You see market has rejected from this zone, exactly from this zone, but I will still wait. Let me check another one. Sorry, this one is the one that I have opened. Euro GBP. Yes, Euro GBP here. We are at the zone here, but gap down. So here is tricky to place your trade. Market supposed to reverse here, but because of the gap down, I will not place my trade. Yes, here is nice. It's very nice zone, but market gap down. You see, but it still try to reverse. But you see, so that's why I told you it's very tricky to place your trade, but still reverse, no problem. So you see how market is behaving sometimes, but anytime you see gap, so be careful. Let's check another. But here market is consolidating. You see multiple touch, so here is very dangerous to place your trade. You wait for the breakout, then you take your trade. So let me check another one. So you know, this market you have to be very careful, and you have to know, you have to learn, you have to be educated, because sometimes you will get opportunity so easy, but sometimes you have to be searching, you have to be looking. So all these things, so that's why you have to know where you're supposed to take your trade, not any where you just place your trade. So you have to be very educative to trade on this type of market, otherwise you lose your money. That's why sometimes you have to be searching, checking. You will not see opportunity, but if you are patient enough, you will see opportunity. Now you see here, and this is the zone now, our next zone. Yes, here is our next zone. We can place our trade here. If market reach this zone, we can place trade. Even though market is trying to create strong uptrend, but here is very nice zone. It will work here. You see market rejecting. You see market is rejecting. So I will wait for market to reach close inside this zone. Then I place my trade. If market close below, I will not place. Let me see. You see gap down, so I will not place my trade. Even though market may reverse, but I will not place my trade here. I will wait at least market to close inside or above. Then I will place my trade. Because here is strong zone. You see, if you merge 1, 2, 3, 4 candle has already engulfed 1, 2, 3 candles. So this is engulfing. So it's very nice area. But you wait for the breakout. Because market is trying to change to strong uptrend. You see, market is at the zone. Yes, now I can place my trade, but gap down again. So wait. You see gap down, so it's tricky. It may reverse, it may break. So I will not place my trade yet because of this gap down. Anytime you see gap down or gap up, so be careful. But you see market is reversing, no problem. It's better to miss opportunity than to lose your money. It's better to miss opportunity than to lose your money. Anytime try to be careful. You see my here it's working, but because of this gap down, that's why I didn't place my trade, because I can see market is trying to, the trend has changed to uptrend. So no problem. Let me check another one. Yes, you see another opportunity here. Here is another opportunity. I'm coming. Let me answer call. Okay, let's continue. You see, I missed this one. No problem. As I have told you, it's better to miss than to lose. But here is another chance here. If market close here, I'll place call option, because you see engulfing here, engulfing. Yes, engulfing. See, yes, I'll place call option here. I place my trade call option here because of this engulfing. So I know definitely here market must reverse. You see engulfing. The whole area here is the zone. You see, this is the zone. So I know definitely market must reverse here. That's why you see I miss this one and I get this one. So anytime try to get good opportunity, because if you didn't get good opportunity, you lose your money. So you see very nice entry point, and you see strong buys entry at this zone. So you see it's better to wait, to search, to see where is you supposed to take your trade. Anytime try to wait, search very well. It's very, very simple. Only waiting, some people cannot wait, but you have to train yourself how to wait, how to search, how to detect, to identify the zone where you're supposed to take your trade. So if you can be able to wait in this market, you will make money. But some people cannot wait. They are just hurry to place trade. You see here, because of these two engulfing, but it's not very nice engulfing. That's why I didn't, no rejection. So that's why I just leave it, no problem. But here you see this is engulfing. This engulfing is not nice. It's not nice one here. It's not nice one, but I will still place my trade. I will still place my trade call option here, because you see this is engulfing and this is another engulfing, and the market's close here even though there is no rejection. So I know market must reverse here, because you see here no rejection, market reverse. So I know here even if I didn't see rejection, market will reverse. So that's why I place my trade. But market is doing panic, but I know definitely it will give me winning trade. Sometimes it happens like this. You see market is doing panic, but I got very good marginal of safety. Even though market create weak candle, I must win the trade. You see this is winning trade. You see here this is winning trade. So I wait for market to break this zone, then I can place call option again, because market supposed to reverse here. Market didn't reverse. Weak, I see weak sellers, because multiple touch here, but you see market is still reversing, no problem. So okay, let's continue. So you see here this candle is supposed to be strong, but you see this candle strong, no problem. Anytime if you get marginal of safety, you'll be safe. So you see here this is engulfing, this is engulfing. Here is another zone. You see this is engulfing zone. Yes, why my network is not nice? I don't know what's wrong with the network. And here you see market just reverse. Let me change pair. Market is becoming bad market. You see here is the zone. You see engulfing here. Here this is engulfing. You see rejection. So I'll wait for market to close at this zone, but you see market is reversing. So let's wait. wait here, market to come down to this zone, then I place my trade. But market is not coming. You see engulfing, you see strong bias, no problem. I will not take trade here. Let me change. This one is consolidation area, but maybe let me just leave this one. And you see here, this is the zone I was telling you before. You see market is reaching this zone. Yes, here is the zone, and you see multiple touch of this zone, so it's better to wait for the breakout. Yes, it's better to wait for the breakout here. But here is another zone here, because but it's not nice. This one is not nice engulfing. So I'm searching for the good zone. Market is becoming bad market. Yes, here. Maybe here after breakout. Yes, here you see engulfing. Here's another one, but this one is like continuation pattern, and the trend is strong. That's so nice. You see here market reverse, no problem. I will wait for this zone here. This is the zone, next zone. Yes, here market will reverse. And this one, market is trying to go up, because I'm waiting for the good breakout, not this type of breakout. Sometimes market will go up, sometimes it will reverse. So if you are trading breakout, try to get very nice one, because this closer one market can still come down, but you see it reverse, no problem. I wanted to take 5 trades, but I see no good opportunities, so I will stop trading. Maybe if I take one more trade, I will stop. Here is the next zone. Yes, if market reach this zone, I'll take trade. see, I'm still searching. Here is another zone. This is another zone. Because of the ranging market, I will take my trade at the bottom here, not at this zone, because market is ranging. So if market reach this zone, I'll place my trade, call option. You see gap, so market is trying to reach this zone. You see market reach the zone, but no rejection on top, no rejection. You see multiple rejections here, but no problem. Maybe if I see weak candle after this candle, I'll place my trade. You see rejection now. Market is really strong. It's really strong. But you see rejection. So I'll wait for market to create one weak candle, because here is too tricky, because this candle has no rejection. This candle has no rejection on top, and here is engulfing breakout. So maybe if this candle finish, I'll place my trade call option, because here you see multiple touch, but you see market is reversing, but no problem, I will wait. So after this candle, I will place my trades, call option. I know definitely market must reverse from this. Yes, I place my trade call option, even though there is gap, so I know definitely market must reverse. Let me pause, somebody is knocking the door, I'm coming. So you see market is reversing, you see, so I know definitely from here market must reverse because of this breakout of this zone. You see market is trying to touch this zone, so anytime this way that you're supposed to take your trade. This is part 9, and this strategy I have explained it in details inside the ebook, and which candle you're supposed to take trade and which train. As I have told you, this strategy has 3 concepts. It has touch the zone, it has close at the zone, it has break the zone. So I have explained it in ranging market, in trending market, in consolidation area. So this is the end of this video. I took total 4 trades. I decided to take 5 trades, but because you see it took long time to get opportunities, so I took total 4 trades. All are winning trades based on this strategy. So here you see, let me explain. So you see here, this is the engulfing, strong engulfing. Then market with momentum break the engulfing zone, then you see reverse. Then I know market must reach this. That's why I place my trade put option, because the whole area here in the zone here. So I know market, before market reverse, at least to reach this zone. That's why I place my trade put option. And here you see this I place call option here at this zone. Why? Because you see here is engulfing. You see engulfing. The market come and close with rejection. Then I place my trade call option because all area here is the zone. Because market started from this, then engulfing. So if market close, then it will reverse. So the whole area here is the zone. So that's why I place my trade call option. And the next trade here, you see this one, because of my margin of safety entry point, otherwise I may lose. Why I place this one? You see this is the engulfing here, and here is another engulfing. Then you see markets, because here no rejection, because here you see no rejection, market reverse. So that's why I know even without rejection, I know market will reverse. So that's why I place my trade here call option. I'm expecting strong candle, but you see, and on the next candle markets go up strongly. So but that's why I try to get good entry points. You see, I place my trade call option. So then the last trade number 4, you see here what I can see, even though you see momentum here, but what I can see, first of all, market is ranging. If it is trending market, so you should not place your trade here, because I have explained it in trending market, in ranging market, what you're supposed to do. You see here the whole candle, this engulf these 2 candles, then market come and break this zone from here, because of ranging market. From here to here is the zone. Then market break the zone, weak candle. Then I place my trade call option here. You see strong bias at the zone. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.